So in this Ndax tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy USDC here on Ndax. Once you guys have the Ndax app open, press add funds, select Canadian dollars or whatever you want to do in regards to adding funds, and then fund your account. So you can do e-transfer, wire transfer, etc. Once your account is funded, if you go to the bottom left and select trade, under markets right here, USDC is the second one, or you can press the search bar, type in USDC, and then select it. Once you're on the USDC page in the bottom left, press on buy. Then where it says buy, make sure that that is green. If it says red on sell, it means that you're selling. So go ahead and press buy. Below that it says market. You can click the drop down and select your order type. I will leave it at market. Then below that, you can type in how much USDC you want to buy. So for example, if you wanted to buy 1 USDC, it'll then show you the amount. If you wanted to change the amount right there, you can do that. And where it says insufficient funds for me, that's where you can go ahead and proceed with the purchase. So you'll be able to see the market price, the order total, the fees, and how much you would be receiving. Then you can press on buy USDC to complete the transaction. So that is how to buy USDC here on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.